Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 31441 Paseo Caliz in San Juan Capistrano, California. This unique, one-of-a-kind home resides behind the private gated community of Rancho Madrina. Now, what you'll notice when you first drive up is the beautiful elevation. The style of the home is a classic Monterey Colonial architecture. It's stunning. And you will notice this home has kind of a San Juan Capistrano old world vibe with the Saltillo/adobe tiles. You have these beautiful custom cabinetries, there's hardwood floors. The quality and craftsmanship of this home is truly unparalleled. I know you're gonna love it. Let's go take the tour. I love this floor plan. The kitchen opens up to the family room. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. You do have a dedicated office and a loft, and look how sizable these rooms are. Fun little fact, I live in the same floor plan and I love it. I just love this backyard. You have a oversized covered patio, ideal for entertaining. You have multiple fountains, and the landscaping and softscape is just incredible. If you have interest in touring this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.